Hello friends, today we discuss how we can compress a string in Java. In this video I will cover both the program implementation as well as logic behind it, how it works. After learning this program, you can make certain changes in the program to perform some other operations. To design this program, you require JDK as well as a text editor to type the code. Or you can use some IDE like NetBeans, Eclipse, JIDEA to design the program. Here I am using Notepad to implement the code. I have already saved the file with name string compression, so I am writing public class string compression. In Java, file name should be same as public class name. Now I have to take input from user, so I am writing import java.util.scanner, and now I am creating instance of scanner class and linking it with system.in, and now asking user to enter a string to compress. Whatever user type will get assigned to the variable n. Now I am converting a string into char array by using toCharArray function of string class. Advantage is now we can perform a loop to generate index from 0 to the length -1. Now we have to apply the logic. I am assuming a character variable current which is equivalent to whatever character at index 0. That means the first character having count equal to 1. Also I am creating a string builder or a string buffer to store the result. And giving the capacity 100. A string buffer is suitable for multi-user environment, whereas a string builder is for single user environment. So the speed is fast in case of string builder. Now I am performing loop from I equal to 1 up to length of array -1. Now I am asking str of I is equal to the current character or not. If the next character is equal to the current character, we can simply increase counter by 1. But if the str of I is not equal to the current character, we have to store result.append the current character concat with a count. If we do not put this string, numbers will get added together. So I have to put this double quote. Now make current equal to str of I with count equal to 1. This is end of else part. This is of end of loop. Now at the end of loop, assign result.append whatever the last current character with its count. This is very necessary line. If you do not write this line, the result will not appear correctly. Finally, we have to display the result. Result equal to result.toString. I am calling toString to convert a string builder into a string. Java virtual machine automatically calls toString. So if you do not write toString, it will code automatically. Now the program is ready. We have to save it, and then we have to compile it. So I am writing Java C string compression, then Java string compression, and giving some string like this. So the result is A4, B3, C5, D3. Now I am commenting this line to explain what happens if we do not write this line. Again, compile the code, run it, and give a string like this. So if you can see, we are not getting the final counter. Now the question is how this program is working. For explanation, I am assuming the input is AAA and the output should be A3B2. So as per the program, we have assumed current character equal to str of 0 equal to A, counter equal to 1, and we are performing loop from 1 to 4. So these are the values of str of I, and asking str of I is exactly equal to current character to not. So A exactly equal to A, so the counter becomes 2. This portion will not get executed. Again we are getting A exactly equal to A, so the counter is 3. This portion will not get executed. Next time the str of I is B is not equal to A. So the current characters becomes B and counter is 1. Next time B exactly equal to B, so counter becomes 2. So the result becomes A3B2. Now what you can do by using this logic, in place of taking input from user, you can also read input from a file, and also in place of displaying string buffer or string builder, you can transfer that result into another file as zip file will do. Friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like to support my channel Tech Code Guruji. Thanks again, friends.